Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you which fuse to check in case you can't open your liftgate, in case the button to open it is not working. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer, because I'm recording this in December of 2025 and I'm still not sure if this vehicle will still be made in 2027, 8 and so on. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this cover. So to access it, you just want to pull the cover towards yourself and you will get access to the fuses. So I will zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone. Okay, here are all of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be this one right here, 7.5 amp fuse. And if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You might have to test that button, the switch on the liftgate. You want to check the electrical connections, you want to check the wiring and things like that. First things first, check the fuse. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.